I am on the hunt for innovation and new technology here at PPMA Total Show 2025, and I've stumbled across this stand called Newtech. I think I'm going to see some new technology here. Richard Smith, tell me about the new technology. Tell me a bit about what Newtech does specifically.
Yeah, so at Newtech we specialise in automation for the food industry. So whether that be bespoke systems or some of our range of standard machines, and tends to be around processing, production, packing lines and all that side of things.
A couple of things we want to look at on your stand, one of which is sort of over our shoulder here, and this is one of your automation systems. Just tell me what it is we're looking at here, Richard.
So this is one of our standard range of robotic ultrasonic cutters. So this is for the bakery industry. So if you're processing any sort of tray bake, flapjack, brownie, round cakes, you've got a combination of the ultrasonic cutting blade, which gives you a very clean cut, with the robot, which gives you a lot of accuracy and flexibility in what products you want to cut. So we've got a range of standard machines similar to this for different speeds, different sizes, different volumes of production.
So food factory automation is very much where you're at. Obviously great to see a bit of kit on the floor here. We've got some physical kit, but you're also showcasing ways of seeing kit virtually as well, further in on your stand. Should we take a look?
Yeah.
Right, follow us, because, well, the camera won't be able to see all that much. We've got some people here wearing virtual reality headsets, but if you look on the screen over there, you'll be able to see what it is that they are seeing virtually. What are we seeing here, Richard?
So this is a automation pick and place cell on the line. So what we're trying to do here is help customers visualize the solutions a lot easier. So if they can see what they're trying to automate, it makes decision making easier, it makes understanding of what's possible easier. So bringing these things into this extended reality environment really helps customers see what we're trying to achieve.
And I guess the good thing about having it on the screen there is that you can tell if your colleagues are actually doing work or playing Fruit Ninja without, and just pretending they're doing actual work. And the thing about virtual reality is I think it's often seen as a bit of a novelty, but actually for a good number of people, and there's lots of scientific research around this, they find it difficult to imagine. And actually seeing stuff, experiencing it in a way that a virtual reality headset or equivalent gives you, means that you can understand, you can take on board, you can really envisage something more than just seeing it on a flat piece of paper. And that's really important, not only as a sales enablement tool, but also as a training tool, for example.
Yeah, so we're using this for a number of different purposes. So the initial sales and the consultancy piece with the customers, but also reviews of designs internally and externally with the customer. Also sort of training before we install a machine on site. The customer can come and see exactly how it's going to be, poke their head around it, look at anything they want to tweak with. So there's a whole bunch of applications, and this technology is going to become more and more widespread over the next number of years to try and make that automation easier.
So you would say that, again, just coming to new technology innovation, sometimes technology like this can be seen as a bit of a novelty, you know, just a bit of, yeah, it's fun, but it doesn't really add any value. You would push right back on that and say, no, you're getting some real value from this.
100%. So with the feedback we've had from customers since we started using it, we've seen shortage in project timescales. We've seen the sign-offs of machines being a lot smoother because they've actually seen it before it gets installed. So they already know what they're getting, so that process of getting used to new technology all becomes a lot quicker. So there's huge real-world benefits for it.
Really, really interesting to hear. Thank you for chatting us through that. Before I let you go, final question, PPMA show, big date in your diary, I'm sure. What have you made of this year's event? How helpful is it to grow your pipeline and to grow your presence?
Really good. It's really important from both people coming visiting the stand and showing what we can do, but also just that general brand awareness and the networking and everyone else in the industry. So far it's been really good, and let's hope the next 2 days are going to be the same.
Richard Smith here at Newtech, thank you so much for joining us here on PPMA Show TV.
Thank you very much.